My hope for you today is that you will remember PIE. The PIE is a framework to help you to get a bigger slice of LinkedIn.
Now I'm curious, show of hands, how many people here are self-employed? Self-employed, raise up your hands, look around the room. Look around the room. These are your coworkers right now, right? When they go to your profile on their own, they're more open and receptive to learning about you.
Message them back as quickly as you can. Sorry I hit send too quickly. It was great to meet you.
It's not just about posting, but you should be engaging on other people's posts. Uh-oh, it's a LinkedIn coach. How many of you are worried that I'm going to pull up your profile and screen right now?
I don't want to bother him at home. It's a work-related question. So I'll go on his website later and I'll figure it out. And then, you know what happens, right? Later never comes. I've now gone into his competitor.
What you put out through your LinkedIn posts and how you interact with your connections, that will come back to you.
If you want a bigger slice of the LinkedIn pie, my hope for you today is that when you walk out of the room, you will remember pie, and maybe you'll remember Brenda Meller too.